Akhtar, you are executive cabinet member and you have deputy leader's portfolio. What different have you identified and you think you have delivered for the people of Bolton?
Well, there are a number of things that we are delivering for the people of Bolton. So, for example, as deputy leader of Bolton Council, with the portfolio of regeneration, I have been responsible for our regeneration, mainly around the town centre focused regeneration, because of the change in retail sector and people's shopping habits. We realized back in 2018, when we prepared our town centre master plan, that our town centre needed to change. The focus had to change from retail to residential because of the emergence of online shopping and various other sort of due to various other factors. The retail was not the future for Bolton Town Centre. So we embarked on a journey, and if you go to Bolton Town Centre now, there are small neighbourhoods that are being created. There are two that we've created which are proving to be very, very successful. One on Moor Lane, we've created a new development, and next to that we've created Elizabeth Park, which is open space in the heart of our town centre. We have then created another sort of residential neighbourhood very close by, and what we want to do is we want to bring people back into Bolton Town Centre to live in the centre, to make that sustainable in the longer term, and we are working on that plan, and that is something that I am very, very proud of, and we continue to develop that going forward.
Akhtar, you've mentioned that your struggle was when you very first started your career, and that motivated you into politics. Looking at the current job market, how do you feel as a deputy leader? You've helped the younger youth of Bolton to to channelize their energy into professions and be a fundamental part of the Bolton's economy.
So at a sort of strategic level, our role is to create opportunities, economic development opportunities for within our borough. So we over the years we have worked with our partners at Greater Manchester level and the private sector to create the environment where businesses can thrive. And in order to do that, we've created the support mechanism within the council to help support new businesses coming into the borough, and also existing businesses that may want to expand. For example, in Bolton, very recently we've had a big investment in Estimo, which is Hitachi. Previously it was known as Hitachi. Estimo is new name. They are bringing huge investment into Bolton, creating a sort of a new market, and they're going to work on the car batteries sort of sector, creating new jobs and other opportunities in Bolton. And then before that, we had Logistics North, which is one of our big achievements in terms of a business park where Amazons are based. We have the Aldi's distribution center for the whole of the Northwest based there, and we also have number of other big businesses based there which are offering employment opportunities to people from Bolton and across the sub-region of Greater Manchester. And for Bolton residents to access those opportunities, we've then created a workshop, which is a shopfront premises in Bolton Town Centre, where we've got our staff based in there. People can walk in, go and talk to an advisor and work with that advisor to help them access those opportunities. And there are other funding programs within that workshop to help people back into work. So for example, people who may be on long-term health related benefits to come in and talk to people, and we've got advisors who are working on that sort of aspect as well. So there are a number of ways that we have tried to tackle the issue of employment and economic development